things are Anra me kwadana me dwen ho the production as of mine nyama you produce not finished product as in goods but services. You share the number of teachers are you produce, the number of nurses are you produce. And I think, sir, as of mine, what's you see, Janabira, because Nyama be braye or what, it doesn't add up. And tally, mommy. Because now, me share about 68,000 teachers or so, I am post you muye. Now, me share over the about 6-7 years. Ghana produce somewhere around 140,000 or so teachers are. Or share the number of teachers are here according to the Ghana Education Service. What it means in say we are producing twice the number of teachers are here. And there are areas they are still complaining that there are schools but there are no teachers, and that is worrying because already the number that you are producing are buying bien wa obetima for teachers now, because they say we had the deficit always about 68,000 or so or what omoya and kakra. Next year, all the colleges of education, at the people become home. Now, interestingly, aside the college of education, universities didn't so produce teachers. Mature more direct degree or university to say Winneba, UCC, private universities they so produce teachers. So I ask myself, say, our economy needs to recruit all these teachers. So we have omombe pension, sabi, omombe free mu, omombe jai adichere. O quantify the numbers now. Teacher for dodoa ye produce as of mine. A doors chain. Deficit a work classrooms also replace, but day in day out every year we still have teachers that comes out. I was supposed to. So it tells you something is not right. And this same reason here, I know people don't want to hear it, but Yaba crossroader Yabedruho. Because if you look at the history, Yadema teacher training allowance, nursing training allowances now are forfeiting a purpose. But we don't want to tell ourselves the truth, and we are doing politics out of it. The more reason why, to me, we are producing a lot of lazy people. Because obi onuma, you have been in a classroom. O teacher ni akacha oda. So onye adwuma pa bia obeja teacher no. Enti teaching na okoe no. Eya so ko teaching say okwa akope teaching na aye. Minimum obi a oko teacher training a enipa ni bibia se teacher ni. Obi na no so kire say teacher ni nie. I say you are dancing in the dini abadi a dance ya chiro. Otim say akowe dia gift nyame dia man ayo chire ni na ko obeko no a headmaster and a head teacher. Come on. And so onko. Oso ya wa ko tina office fufuro. Ne call na nkasa de dia wo dia to. Because on say adwuma ne nya adwuma pa. sabi but ko betima ye no na kwa ye we so aka ho ba no kwasem ne say Mr. Jakwa de asre are aso wakwa sorry aso fu di preach there are wo ala
Nipa fucking Nipa you
wow na ohwe be ma tenten gamo na ogina board anim na otworo kama Trabrofo akese ne ayi e de aman kwara na kyerɛkyerɛ mu a akanya asem kito o but nipa no akɔ training college na wie akɔtena baabi enti allowance e de man teacher training na wadi ahyiska ne kwa wa sika no and only classroom because ohwe ne ho fama no boni suit no body tie no ya chok be ko nani they not air condition e did make nyina ne say the truth of the matter ne say sa teacher training allowance lesson training allowance no bufo John Dramani ma part 1 sad decision taking was the best but MPP for man here amanyosam and Jomba omo restore drew baby na kwada nkwa ntimi ntua and then lesson training allowance etimi wo ho a no mu ntua wo ba no ma bom no ma tua kakra me ba honest so I know what I'm talking about oba no ma tua kakra oba da emba o no say oh yeah wow and you see sa idea na ye de ye teacher training allowance no any ayi nursing training o say yi free ho na ye hu the true people a omu pese omu ye nurse and teachers because that bia ye benya backlog the entire makers say it's not helping the trainees as well because so good teacher training certificate hwe teacher di eni mo na awo because a professional job enti bank emfaw se bank be fa ada connection mu o shepa na say bia wo no ye accounting wo school any accounting obu ahwe any accounting se no so ni accounting ba kokra to no twe ne pounds akwa di credit di account so me dia teacher and you should discourage that extra numbers na yen discourage that extra numbers na yenyam by taking the allowance away ye take allowance ni fra bebrebe hu omu true talent bebrebe ko gyness in it teacher training ni ko then we have our because they say oko technical schools ni bebre a omonya ni po oh kobusa KSTU kobusa STU kobusa TKU TTU kobusa the number do munya those times pole no eswate se chancellor bia be ka no crash wa oko pole na say I training colleges and technical universities na eswate even time I have been universities eswate compared to the previous years because ye bie MPB aba obso bie nursing college awo ne honum an achievement obi aba obso bie teacher training wo ne honum an achievement and ye bie more colleges and then nipa na I was a core other institutions no we are drawing all of them to the colleges because what you anya hwe obenya allowance all the way ya automatic obenya adwuma ba no kwasem pa ewom ne say onwie na backlog na egu no a ye hwete teacher fo no bi be ko pension na ebi be wu na ebi be ja adwuma na ede omba be hyem no esua that same person no o de ne kwa akurase a ozibuei enti hwe oko schools ni bia I can say this on authority basic schools no say ye ko na class teacher e ba akope say so ma bro so class teachers 22 Asana a service for that ba 2 and the class we are 3. You have service teacher, you have 2 professional teachers. 2 because oma bu urban areas na ana kwan bi ani baby adi bi kwose baby ani ho odi opa busa ehwan me ehwan busa school se wo wa buso om se ayi ekwan da kwan na ho kwa ma teachers na buso ho ti se bia mo ma na obi kunu age transfer no ne ko no ko and obi o person changing the environment no afiri ho ese why pampe and we are still producing teachers ebe backlog ho sadie we ye nya amanyosem a ye fa teacher training ni nursing training enkwada ne betena fie saa abra se ye kire eniema se say ekoso wo wiase ye adapt proper methodology ye de betete nkura na any syllabus ni courses papa relevant course bi okra ko ye wi a ohun de odbentu nipa bi wo ba bia say ye kokos ke ka chose de hanse wanya degree unipa bi wo ba bia no abo ni apia wa ko hye ba bi enti obi ono bank so oni mu hwe ya okwa ani you learn on the job na enti mu atima teller kakra na obi won so a ya na ko show office bi he has to learn on the job but do ko so yan nkasa ho but adwuma ni ho ti are training a lot of people and for so bia maso. I remember say universities apart from the private ones ni in our government are supporting a way through get fund and other means, and that's taxpayers money. So we are training people on baby school about betinefia and for so be so. By the time cry teacher in betinefia betinefia 5 years me postino. Time no say you postino arrested. No arrested. Me no obia ni 6 year you postino a 2. Ogo ka jam say na nkwanta we dey ko so ya nyina review. I'm saying yes, you offer a syllabus now go through that kai because automatically once you that the beba. And you acquire the first year or best struggle and son when you read them no. So it should be of a national concern. Now you discuss it without being emotional, without being partisan. Because sometimes we want to score a cheap political point in tea. Yet we be a man yourself, knowing very well say, Sadia na ye nebe kanka ankasamai. Why not we establishing companies, manufacturing companies with these same allowances that we are giving to these students over time and years? Are they na yen koya mu emfanye for the better good? By a dear nyoma ne ya o mewe school no man stranded no mtifie no mu bre, and people think they are useless but they are not. It's not a crime to go and learn and come and wait say you be postil that still yen postil utifie obi kura timka akoya mo we school wan pass into no tifie. A whole lot of stigmatization teachers in nurses for impose nurses for Christ and tell ya onya private hospital bia ko twa logum kakra teacher for so I don't cry saying because private schools for no cry na why yema so pay bebre pay nye ti na otifie ko calculate sikia de be ma no on fa ka nkom radio bedi bosom beso no sa adeka ti obeti na fie. And people think say one pass, people think say we na dey na nko ade dada dey positive na nkofo take advantage je omusika 20,000 10,000 5,000 some ebo am ya positive ni di omusika kwa aden na holistically asoman yen tenase na yen hwe ye teacher training yen hwe ye teacher training ni nursing training how ye be ya man na ye yie na number say even the quota system should come, it should be there. Now you know how to regulate things than say ama for beko school we no ma betene fie na yentimi postuum, because we know say the number of people and the number of teachers are the system need, the number of nurses are the system need based on our facilities, half of the number of production per year yediaba. Where's this 8,000? And they be account. So 7 years you have about 140,000 to fee. It's not a joke. It's not a joke, and it's of national security concern. Yeah, Sadia way ahead, and bleeding a lot of is breeding a lot of criminals into the system. Na kaposini awetima rise ya to inspector. Inspector, I can suppose ni rise to inspector. Inspector. Adam Guasia Ben.